Thanks for tuning in. We're going to be getting right into today's video. I'm doing a review for Ashimary hair. I've done like 3 videos for this brand, I believe. I have so many good quality, beautiful wigs from this brand. One in particular that I cannot stop wearing. If you know, you know. But we're going to be doing another wig today. As you guys can see, I have different color brows today, so I'm trying to match the wig as best as possible. I don't know because I didn't compare and contrast, so I don't know till I put it on, but hopefully I did a good job. But let's get into this wig. So as you guys can see, I'm wearing the official Ashimary robe, but it comes in this pretty box. I love the color scheme of their brand. I love it so much. But it comes in this box. Let's get into the goodies. Let's get into that. Guys, you get a lot of stuff in here. So you get like your robe. I already put my robe on. You get you a razor comb, which is good because I need one of those. Some bald caps. Some lashes. These are really full. They sent me two press-on fingernails. You guys know I wear press-on, so that's great. And I need some Valentine's Day nails, so it hooked me up because I don't even have any. I just realized that. So they sent me 2 packs of press-on nails, another melting band, and then an edge brush, which I actually need this today because I don't have one of those in front of me either. I don't even think I'm going to need a melting band. We're going to see. We're going to see. I'm really excited because like this is like a reddish brown, like not like the copper I normally get. This is reddish. Oh. And she comes pretty curled. Look at those curls. Oh my gosh. Okay, so this is, like I said, it's a 5x5 reddish brown body wave wig. I have a 5x5, but they come in 13x4 and 13x6 as well. I have 250% density. The density options are 150, 180, and 250. And then I have 28 inches because I wanted her to be a long princess. And the lengths come in anywhere from 10 inches to 28 inches. This is what she looks like. Nowadays, these wigs are glueless and they come pre-plucked. HD, like Swiss kind of good lace. Oh, the bleaching is phenomenal. Let me show you guys. Oh, it smells good. What did they use on this wig? It smells like shampoo and watermelon. It smells really good. Anyways, but this is what the lace looks like. So you guys can see it's been really, really bleached. Impeccably bleached. And it's pre-plucked. This is what the inside of the cap looks like. So like I said, you get the 5x5 lace. You can customize her to the lace that you want. I don't see any combs in here. This is how the inside of the cap looks like. You get the adjustable strap at the nape. I'm going to go ahead and put some foundation on the inside of the lace. That's tinting really nice. I'm going to cut this lace off in the front, get as close as possible. I'm going to spray some holding spray. This is the Wig Dealer melting spray. I prefer to do 2 layers, so I put 1 layer down first and then let it dry and then put another one on top of it. It dries down really quick. You know, while it's still wet, you want to sit that lace right on in there. Not pull it taut on both sides. If you don't want to do this, you can of course use a melting band. I just prefer to do this. Oh, she is melting already, baby. I'm gonna try to do no baby hairs today. We're gonna see. me see something real quick. I'm going with a little bit of hairspray. A concealer on the parting space. Got a new bottle of mousse. I finally remembered. It just took about 3 months, but I remembered. Ooh, that's a lot. What I'm gonna do, now I'm thinking about it, I could put some of this up here, since I can't find my flat iron. I said, is it my flat iron? No, my, what do you call it? My pressing cone. So since we can't find that, we're gonna use the alternative. Oh, yes. Yes, yes! This is more baby hair than I normally do, but I just think it's called for. I think it looks really good with this type of hair. I can already tell this is going to be my new favorite wig. I can already tell sis is about to be wearing her every day. Y'all gonna get sick of me. It's giving me Ariel. I know you guys see, especially with the color of this robe, with this hair, it's giving Ariel. It's so gorgeous. Nice and thick. Willing to conform to my will. Nice and full. Look at that. Length is beautiful, wonderful. Oh, look how long it gets. I don't want to stretch it too much. I don't want to mess the curls up. But I love this color on me. I love her. I love her. Okay, so guys, I'm gonna link this wig down below. Like I said, this is from Ashimary Hair. Beautiful wigs. Beautiful wigs every single time. They do not disappoint. Every time. Okay. So with all that being said, it will be linked down below. If there's a discount code, I will put it down below as well. Go get your hands on this gorgeous, gorgeous wig. Thanks for tuning in. I will catch you guys in the next video. Mwah. Bye.